Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 3.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Alibaba Group Holding Limited was the victim of a months-long web-scraping operation by a marketing consultant that siphoned up sensitive data, including usernames and phone numbers. Made.com, the British online furniture retailer, will list its shares on the London Stock Exchange at 200 pence, giving the group a market capitalization of $1.09 billion. Switzerland-based Sygnum Bank is helping institutional clients get staking rewards from the new Ethereum network, and they aren't alone.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's employment change will be released at 1:30 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer price index at 900 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.